Welcome to the page of Drystar India Private Limited. In the gelatin capsules industry, maintaining a controlled environment is crucial to ensure the quality and integrity of your products. Moisture can be a major threat to your production process. Humidity can cause capsule sticking, bloating, and even compromise the bioavailability of active ingredients. Industrial desiccant dehumidifiers are specifically designed to remove excess moisture from the air, maintaining a stable humidity level of 10 to 20% RH or lower. By controlling humidity levels, you can ensure that your soft gelatin capsules meet the highest standards of quality and purity. This means fewer rejections, reduced waste, and increased customer satisfaction. In addition to maintaining product quality, industrial desiccant dehumidifiers can also help reduce energy costs by minimizing the load on air conditioning systems. Don't let humidity compromise your production process. Invest in an industrial desiccant dehumidifier from Drystar India Private Limited today and ensure the quality and integrity of your gelatin capsules. For more information on industrial desiccant dehumidifiers or to find the right solution for your specific needs, visit our website or contact us